Housecall Pro is built around automating the entire job workflow, while Kickserv focuses more on simple scheduling and basic job tracking for smaller service teams. By the end of this, you'll know which one fits your business size, what you actually get in each platform, and where each one starts to feel too limited or too expensive depending on how you operate. Housecall Pro is designed for growing service companies that want fewer manual steps in their day. Kickserv is built for smaller teams that mainly need scheduling, dispatching, and basic customer management without a lot of extra layers. Here's how that difference actually shows up. Housecall Pro gives you a full workflow system. That means from the moment a lead comes in, you can track it through estimates, scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and payment collection in one place. It's structured to reduce back and forth between different tools. Kickserv takes a lighter approach. You can schedule jobs, assign technicians, and send invoices, but the system is simpler and more focused on core field service operations. It doesn't try to automate as many steps in the process. Now look at pricing behavior. Housecall Pro usually sits at a higher monthly cost because it bundles more automation features and add-ons into the platform. That makes it more attractive if you're trying to scale operations and reduce admin work. Kickserv is positioned as a more affordable entry point. It's commonly chosen by small teams that don't need advanced automation or marketing tools inside their field service software. The trade-off is complexity versus depth. Housecall Pro gives you more control, more automation, and more integrations, but it also takes more time to set up properly and fully use. Kickserv is faster to understand and easier to run day to day, but you may hit limits if you start growing a larger team or need more advanced workflows. So the decision usually comes down to this. If you're a small operation that just needs clean scheduling, job tracking, and invoicing, Kickserv is often enough. If you want a system that can handle leads, automate follow-ups, and scale your operations into a more structured workflow, Housecall Pro is the stronger fit. To wrap it up, Housecall Pro is built for scaling service businesses, Kickserv is built for simplicity, and the right choice depends on how complex your day-to-day operations are right now. If this helped, like and subscribe, and check out the next comparison to see which tool fits your business better long-term.